to jump right into afternoon business chat, and today we are looking at an issue that is affecting you, the consumer, right at home. As the cost of living has continuously gone up, supermarkets and chain stores across the country are trying to look at different ways to get you to be loyal to them. This has come through the use of loyalty cards, as you know them by now, of your favorite supermarket. But then there's a new technology that is trying to put that all together in a way complex. And to help us understand that complexity is Adebayo Surakatu, who's the Chief Executive Officer of FlexKom Africa, who's introducing this new concept to Kenya. Karibu sana. Bayo, how different is what you're introducing to our traditional loyalty cards that we used to hear in Nairobi?
Well, thank you. FlexKom has actually been interested in giving benefits to the people.
Right.
And this was actually done because it's a vision of our company, okay, to give the customers, okay, more lifestyle,
right,
to give some customer an environment, okay, where they, while doing shopping, okay, where they have immense benefits together.
Right.
We actually started also with an issue where we actually created a unique, okay, customer card.
Right.
It has been the problem, which we do know in the world in which we're living today. There are lots of customer cards out down there. But each customer card can only be used or is attached to a particular company.
Right.
All right. And what we've done is to curate only one customer card, which the customer can use everywhere where the customer goes shopping, across all stores.
Right.
All right. And the major important thing is not just the customer using the card, okay, to get points back. We don't give points back. The customer gets money back. Okay. And with getting the money back, okay, that gives the customer the opportunity to actually detect what I want to use it for.
Right.
So it is lifestyle and giving the customer real value,
right,
which words back to the customer.
So in one way it is trying to move away from a cash economy. On the other, it's trying to keep customers tied to the stores where the store owners also get to benefit. But what is the need for them? If I have a store, why should I bother with having such a high-level, high-tech app, used by my customers?
Well, there are two things that interest the retail shops owners, okay? And the problem in which we're actually having right now is they have a bigger problem, okay, staying up on the high streets,
right,
okay? We have the e-commerce, okay, sector down there, which is taking all customers away. People do buy on internet,
right,
and now we are having this supermarket, the bigger markets, okay, the bigger malls, okay, down there, and this actually is making it difficult for the local stores, okay,
right,
to make a living. All right, and so they need to be supported. They need a technology which is simple, which they can adopt for them to actually get back on the pole position.
Right.
And this is what FlexKom has done.
You've mentioned about simplicity. How exactly does this work? Do I need a smartphone? How exactly, who is eligible for this service?
Now, what FlexKom did, okay, was to create a mobile application. We call it the Flex app.
Right.
Okay. Now, each customer can actually, okay, download this mobile application,
right,
for free.
Correct.
Okay, or this mobile application, Flex app, can be given out through the local stores who are actually connected to the FlexKom model. And once the customer downloads this FlexKom, it goes with it to the local shop at all FlexKom accepted terminals.
Right.
So after I purchase a product and pays the currency for the product, okay, the FlexKom terminal generates a QR code, a quick response code.
Right.
And with the help of the mobile application, the customer can scan this QR code. While doing that, within 0.005 seconds,
right,
transaction is being done, which means it gets its loyalty, flex monies, okay, back onto the mobile application. So this makes him to use this app on every stores, okay, around the community, and he always get money back while spending.
Right, and of course we'll be getting back to that discussion in regards to FlexKom, and I'll be asking you about how local stores are expected to absorb this particular technology, but we'll be getting back to that in a little while. Right, many thanks. Kamcha Menza in Nakuru, and back to our discussion about your final question as we wrap this interview is that, do you expect some kind of friction coming from the local store owners? Because, it is these loyalty cards that have enabled them to have some kind of loyalty, per se, with part of the clientele. Do you expect some bit of friction when you introduce this product in Kenya?
Yes, well, with our high-end technology, we actually giving the local retail stores or the local retail owners the opportunity for them to have more customers, okay? And getting more customers automatically skyrockets their revenues. Now, what we did is to give them a huge high-end technology, which gives them the opportunity to always geo-target their products to the customers in real time. Now, we do this through a video mail technology, okay, which the retailers, they have a terminal, a FlexKom mobile commerce terminal, which they can actually send their products directly onto the mobile application of the customer. And this makes actually a very huge awareness for them to know about the local store in any particular vicinity, and customers goes down there.
So your expectation is that it will be a welcome innovation to the local store owners in Kenya?
Exactly.
Right. Asante sana Adebayo Surakatu, who's introducing a new form of shopping in the country. It's called FlexKom, basically FlexKom Technologies, that will be rolled out in most of the local supermarkets.